Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I wanted to show you today a really special property. It just hit the market, single level, about 2.5 acres in the Covenant. Super quiet neighborhood, very nice, and I think this one's gonna sell pretty quick. So with that being said, let's go check out this property. So as you can see, there's plenty of space over here coming into the property. You have that guest unit with the garage, and also the entrance here. It truly doesn't feel like you are in San Diego, but you are in Rancho Santa Fe in the Covenant. 2.5 acres. As you can see, you got cameras, so security wise is great. And then this right here is to the left of the property. Plenty of space. I think one of the backyards here is, in my opinion, one of the best right now in Rancho Santa Fe. I mean, you have so much space, 2.5 acres, plenty of space for your friends to come over here, if you like to host, entertain. I mean, this house is gorgeous. And I think, truly, the backyard is gonna sell itself, because feels like you're kind of in Italy. This is what the house looks like from the outside. Single story, very desirable. Like, imagine you being here and tanning here on a beautiful day like this one today. It's a Saturday, 70 degrees, just perfect. Plenty of space. I just love how the house looks from the outside. All those trees are gonna bloom very soon. So right here are the bedrooms. I'll show you the inside. Another bedroom here. They got an office over here. Super nice. This right here is the kitchen. So pretty. So that was the property tour here. It was a little quick because it's getting a little busy with the open house, but I just wanted to show you what you can get in the Covenant. Covenant is one of the best areas in Rancho Santa Fe. The HOA is great. It's about $1,500 per million of purchase price per year. So this one would be about $9,000 per year. And you got a lot of privacy, security. It's single level, it's Spanish looking, but also it's not very modern. I'm not the biggest fan of the very modern houses, but this house is gorgeous. And also, I didn't show it to you, but the 3-car garage they have right in front of me is a workshop that could be converted into an ADU. So it is super nice. This is right here inside. And I truly like for example, the oven and the stovetop, all those things were extremely expensive. The cost of a car is what the listing agent told me, which is kind of funny. But beautiful house if you are looking to buy, sell, or invest. I actually knew about this property coming to market 2 weeks before it hit the market. So if you want to be the first one to know what comes up to the market, or you want off-market homes where you just cannot find what you're looking for, Fairbanks Ranch, Rancho Santa Fe, Solana Beach, Del Mar, Carmel Valley, feel free to contact me. I'm going to leave all my information in the description of this video. And until next time, до свидания.